I'm in a really great position where I have been able to come to the Art of Facilitation twice.
I've been very fortunate to join this institute with a cohort of very well-informed and seasoned educators and facilitators.
I'm going to take my learning forward in my practice as a consultant, coach, and facilitator.
Before, my concept is like a piece of puzzles. And right now, they are matching together, showing a very beautiful art.
The first big takeaway is about the facilitation strategies. So I learned a lot of different strategies in terms of how to empower participants, enable their discussion as well, increase engagement level, etc., etc. So those strategies I can just use directly in my context.
It's been a great opportunity and it's so rewarding. It's rejuvenating, energizing, and I feel like I'm a renewed person. And with that, I want to take this out. The mission is to share what we have learned over here to make a better impact to people.
We model creating a community of practice, a community of people, a network of people that learn from each other. We learn this by sharing experiences, by stretching and extending our knowledge, and by learning from each other.
And in a way, this will develop the strategies, the way of adult learning.
And I'm thinking, actually now, maybe I need to dig a little deeper into the toolbox and think about things that I don't normally use. This has kind of highlighted some of those things and being a little bit more intentional about diversifying some of my tools.
The power of the content and the power of the facilitation, they can combine together. And that can lead you to be a high quality of facilitator.
Design thinking is traditionally usually used in business sector, but actually it's very powerful in educational sector as well. Instead of just designing some tangible things, design thinking could also be used for school policy, educational or pedagogical practices, etc., etc.
So this experience itself is one that I'll try to model in my future work with adults.
One of the things that stuck with me is the facilitator's matrix, where I'm not just thinking about my quality as a facilitator, but also the quality of the content that I'm delivering. Not the volume of the content, but the quality of the content.
To upskill my workshops and do a better job of facilitating for understanding and using conceptual understandings in my practice.
Starting in a new school in Tokyo this coming September would really bring myself the tools, the skills, the confidence to lead and make a difference. And that's all thanks to this Art of Facilitation.
Really excited to practice the things that we've learned, and very excited about all of the people that I've met and all of those possibilities and connections with those people as well.
And the learning is a sort of development for myself and my learning community.
It's clear that Jenny has put in some intentional thought into the makeup of the group, and we vibe really well, and I'm really hoping that we are going to remain connected for many, many years to come, not just to help me, but also hopefully me being able to help them.
Maraming salamat, Jenny.